guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an August edition of Ipsy versus BOXYCHARM. So if you want to see what I got in both subscriptions and see which one is better this month, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so on one side we have Ipsy, on the other side we have BOXYCHARM. We're gonna unbox these and we're gonna see which one was better this month. So on the BOXYCHARM side we have the base box and the premium box, and then on the Ipsy side we have the GLAM bag ultimate and the GLAM bag plus. I don't know which one is which for that, so it is what it is. Okay, so we're going to start with Ipsy just because it's right here and it's going to fall off my desk if I don't. So this is the first one. I think this is the first time it's come in a mailer like this. Usually it comes in a box. I think this is the plus, I think. But then when you open it, you just have this bag right here. So I don't know if this is like the makeup bag. Usually it comes with its own makeup bag, and I don't know if there is one in here. So that, or they just forgot about me, I don't know. It's fine. But so in this we have this Illamasqua loaded lip polish in glaze. So it looks like this, and it is just a clear lip gloss. So the next thing is this Laura Geller Kajal Longwear eyeliner in gilded bronze coal. Looks really thick for an eyeliner, to be honest. Yeah, it does. But it's a pretty color. I like that. I like that it's brown. I've been really loving brown eyeliners with my red hair. So then we've got this E Black Magic Mascara, or Ico London, I guess is the brand. It's the Black Magic Mascara. So it's just in like a squeeze tube type of tube. And then we've got the Murad Hydration Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. You guys know I have super pale skin and I burn in the sun within like 3 seconds. So I love getting some sunscreen always. This is what it looks like. And very happy and excited about that. And then last but not least in this one, we have this Venus Fling Bailey Syrian and Estate eyeshadow collection. Bailey Syrian, I believe, isn't she that girl that does, I think she does like murder and makeup, like she talks about like different like murder cases or something while she does makeup. I don't think I've seen her videos, but I've heard good things and I definitely want to check them out because I'm a weirdo and I like murder documentaries and stuff too. So I feel like I'd get her, you know? So I do want to check that out. Well, these pan sizes are huge. And these colors are beautiful. So I'm very excited to play with this. So that was the GLAM Bag Plus from Ipsy, I believe. I'm pretty sure. If not, I'll write it up somewhere up here that I was stupid and wrong. So since that was the smaller Ipsy, now we're going to go into the smaller BOXYCHARM, which is just the base box, to compare the two. I will say I already opened this because there was a broken product inside of it, which, yes, if you've been watching my recent videos, you know this seems to be happening to me a lot. My mailman hates me. So it's okay though. It's okay, we're moving, and my new mailman will probably, or mailwoman will probably be better, so it's okay. But yes, so I'll pull out the broken item first, I guess, since we're doing that. And so this was open and leaked quite a bit. It's the QMS Medi Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. Now, I was able to salvage quite a bit of it. Hopefully it didn't go bad being open, especially in the Arizona heat. The only thing I did notice is, like, it seems like this is the only, like, shade, I think. And it is, let me just pump some out for you. This looks like it's going to be way too dark for me. I was really excited for, like, a tinted moisturizer just because, like, I like to wear those, especially like like day to day, my normal makeup. But yeah, that's like so dark for a tinted moisturizer. Like that's not, I don't think that's gonna work with me. I might have to give that to like a family member or something, like just send it to them. I don't know, because I don't even think like at my darkest, which is not very dark, but I don't think even at my darkest that this would work for me. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. But so the next thing we're grabbing out of here is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. And yeah, it just looks like this. And then this is something that worries me. So it's got like one of those sponge tips. And if you guys remember from like my bad bin video that I did like a long time ago, I didn't like the sponge tip lip stuff because it tends to look like worms coming out. Oh yeah. See, it's like worms. It's worms. I'm being over dramatic. I need to get over it, but it is a red tint. I'll definitely give this a go and see if I like it. It does kind of skeeve me out a little bit, but you know what? It's gonna be fine. So next is this Trustique, a matte for every mood mini matte lip crayon set. Looks like this. You open it up, and you've got all those lip colors, which are also right here. So excited for that. Then we have this Cargo Cosmetics Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, you guys know I like my nudes. Okay, that's really pretty. I like that. This is definitely a Michelle palette. I really like that. So I'm excited to play with this and try this out. And then the last thing we have in the base box is this Real Her I Am Strong Definer Brow Pencil. This is a great brand, by the way. And this brand is vegan. So if you're into that, if you're looking for a vegan product, this is, I've loved everything I've tried from them, and they've got really great stuff. So it's a definer brow pencil. So it just looks like this, and just like normal, you've got your, you know, your brow pencil on one side, you've got your spoolie on the other side. The only thing is this looks like it's gonna be too dark for the way I'm doing my brows now. Like it's more brown, and I'm doing them red because I have red hair. But it looks like that is a good color, a good universal shade. So I'm excited to give that a try. So in round one for the smaller boxes, the Ipsy Plus and the base BOXYCHARM, I think BOXYCHARM won, even though that tinted moisturizer didn't quite work, or I don't think it's going to work for me, and it was broken. I still feel like I got kind of better stuff in the BOXYCHARM this month for that one. So moving on to the bigger boxes, we've got the GLAM Bag Ultimate, I believe is the biggest one. Again, I will let you guys know if I'm being really dumb and wrong. And then we've got the BOXYCHARM Premium. So for the Ipsy, we've got our makeup bag, which looks like this. I'm excited to have more makeup bags. I'm going to need them to pack all my makeup in for the move. Yes, if you didn't know, we are moving. I've said it a couple times now, but just in case you missed it, we are moving again, and I will be documenting it on my other channel, which will be linked down below. If you're into like lifestyle stuff, then go ahead and check it out. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out is this Payot Hydra 24 Creme Glace, I don't know. It's a plumping moisturizer. So yeah, you guys know I love my skincare. That's such cute packaging. Bonus points for packaging. That is so cute. Okay, I like that. That's really pretty. Then we have this 111 Skin Cryo ATP Sports Booster. It says on the back, mimicking the effect of extreme cold on the skin, this booster contains cellular energy, ATP, to encourage optimized cell function. A lax complexion will be reignited to relieve it tightened, toned, and refined, while dullness and flushing is counteracted for a fresh, reinvigorated complexion. That sounds incredible. And yeah, it looks like this very sleek, expensive looking packaging. So yes, I am extremely excited to give this a try. Then we've got this coconut milk hair mist with vitamin E, hydrate and shine. So I'm very excited to try this out. Then we have this Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream All Day Moisture. Again, you guys know I love anything that's going to help my dry skin. So I'm very excited for this. Oh my gosh. I can't explain what it smells like, but it smells incredible. Yes, okay. Okay, I'm very, very excited for this. Then we have this Gentle Derm Cleansing Gel Foam, which is self-explanatory. It's a face cleanser. Then we have this Fix It Up Mini Matte Setting Spray from Koki Cosmetics. I really like Koki. It's a great drugstore brand. It's just a small one though, so it looks like this. It's got kind of a mister, but no real smell. Decided to try that out. Then we have this Juliet Has a Gun perfume sample. And this one is Vanilla Vibes. And it looks like this. It smells really good. So I'm really excited about that. Guys, this box might win. This one might win. Alright, and then we have this Complex Culture. Oh, it's a brush. Okay, yeah, it's a brush, and it is a vegan, cruelty-free brush, which is great. Looks very sleek. Ooh, it's like a powder brush. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. Do you see that? It's so sleek looking. Oh, I like that a lot. All right, and then we have this Beauty for Real Just Black High Def Defining Volume Mascara. It just looks like this. I love trying out new mascaras, so I'm very excited to give that a try. Then we have this Nomad in Berlin Underground. I am probably saying that wrong. But yeah, so this is a special edition thing, only available from Ipsy, by the way. It's an eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. Very pretty colors. Very excited to try it out. Let me know if you guys want to see me try it out on camera, because I can definitely do that for you. And it is cruelty-free and vegan, which is very nice. So next we have this Feel Vitamin E Balm, and it looks like this. It does say that this is also vegan, which is awesome. And it says it's a natural skin and protective complex of castor oil, seed, and sunflower wax. Instantly moisturizes dry lips and skin and provides a protective barrier to prevent dryness. So very excited for that. Sorry, my cat's in here now and I just see her moving around. And it's going to be impossible to get her out. She loves this room for some reason and never wants to come out. And she hides under like my lights and stuff. So the last thing in the Ipsy box is the Super Silver Haze Purifying Face Masks, and it looks like this. So very excited for that. Again, you guys know I'm obsessed with skincare, so how could I not be happy for it? Okay, so now on to the BOXYCHARM Premium. This is gonna be that Ipsy is gonna be a hard one to beat. Like, BOXYCHARM definitely won the first round, but that Ipsy was really good. So BOXYCHARM has a lot to live up to here. So the first thing I'm grabbing is this Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner. Milk Makeup is a great vegan brand, by the way. And yeah, so you've got a smudger on one side, and then you've got the eyeliner on the other. And this is in the shade Bonus. Oh, and it is so smooth. That glided so nicely. But it is another brown eyeliner, which of course I'm very happy for. Then we have a MAC lipstick. Okay, so we have this MAC satin lipstick in the color Mocha. If you can hear noises, again, it's the cat, sorry. Wasn't expecting to get a MAC lipstick. What? Do you remember, like, back in the day when getting a MAC lipstick was like, that was like the makeup you wanted, was a MAC lipstick. And it's just this dark nude color. Then we have this Ciate London The Editor palette. It's an 18-piece eyeshadow palette. Packaging is really pretty and very sturdy feeling, which is nice. This is a cruelty-free and vegan palette if you are interested in that. And ooh, lots of beautiful shimmers. Oh my. That's really pretty. And I am very excited to play around with this. Again, like I always say, if you're interested in seeing how this performs, I can always try it out for the first time on camera. Just let me know down below in the comment section if you want to see that. Oh no. So then we have this Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. No, translucent setting powder. It's not that it's a bad powder, it's just, if you remember from my latest Sephora haul, which I'll have linked down below, I just bought this. Just bought it. But yeah, so I guess now I have a double. It's a good thing I liked it. I tried it out for the first time. Also have that video linked down below, and I really did like it. So, I mean, at least I like it. It could be worse. It could be something I absolutely despised. Then we have this Fenty Beauty Portable Contour and Concealer Brush. It just comes, it looks like this. Then you open it and push that down, and then you've got this little brush. It's smooth, but it's definitely dense. I'm excited to try it out. And then the very last thing is this Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I've heard such good things about this primer. I'm so excited to finally have my hands on it. And it just looks like this. So excited for this. I've been wanting to try this primer for a while. So yeah, very, very excited to finally have it. And the cat is into stuff again. What are you doing, Luna? What are you doing? So, for round 2, Ipsy versus BOXYCHARM. I can't decide. I kind of feel like it was a tie. I think it was a tie. They were both so good, I can't decide. But if we have to pick between like both of them, like just all together, I think BOXYCHARM definitely won this month. So yeah. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching.